So obviously here at NewTek, we've been thinking about IP for really quite a long time now. And what it really means to bring an advanced IP workflow into the TriCaster system is that anything that is external to the device, there's no difference between them. They're all just inputs into the system. We don't need to differentiate anymore between an SDI input, an HDMI input, or a network input. You know, they're all just inputs to the system. So if you have two TriCaster minis, let's say, they both have 4 inputs. Now, if these are on the same network, they can both be doing a production that has access to 8 video sources at once. So just with a software upgrade, you suddenly have 8 inputs available on a 4-input system, and our 8-input systems are going to have 12 inputs available. Now these inputs, they can be anything. They could be another TriCaster that's sitting beside you. So now its inputs will be available to you to use. Your inputs will be available for it to use. A graphics system that's sitting on the network will be available for you to use. A network scan converter, we have this application that you can run on a laptop, which takes its screen and presents it as a source on the network. A replay system like 3Play, if that is available on the network, you will be able to use it. TalkShow, our product that offers Skype integration, you have those on the network and you can bring callers into your show and you have access to all of these sources. You have to now be thinking anything that is available to you on the network can be used within your show at any time that you want. So, this is something we've been working on for quite some time. And, in theory, it all sounds cool. But I actually remember being up at NewTek late at night. And I ran this and saw it running for the first time. We had it so that you could just see everything else that was available. And I ran TriCaster and suddenly I had all my inputs that was remote. I mean, it was the inputs off one of the other programmers' TriCasters, and then we had one of the graphics systems that was on the network and a whole bunch of sources, and I pulled them all up. And I was looking at this, and it's just amazing. It was somehow groundbreaking to look at this system and see it producing video where everything was coming in over a network. None of these sources were connected locally, and I could produce a show as if they were connected locally. And I actually remember taking a photo. I sat back on my chair and took a photo with my iPhone, and I sent it to the owner of NewTek, Mr. Tim Jennison, and said, Tim, this is the future of video.